This 2022 Coachmen Catalina Summit 184 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used coachman is 23 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 8, leveling jacks, microwave, slide-out, skylight, air conditioning, awning, stovetop burner, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, Murphy bed. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Catalina Summit 184 BHS is 4,202 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.